Namaskar. Apple cider vinegar, which is known as ACV, is now slowly picking up its pace. But do you know that it has been used for culinary as well as medical purpose since the ancient time? Yes, this apple cider vinegar is in existence since a very long time. Let us learn how this ACV is used and beneficial in varied ways. Apple cider vinegar for salad. Apple cider vinegar is excellent when used as a dressing on salad. Take 1/4 cup of ACV, 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, salt and black pepper to taste. Mix all the ingredients well and use it as a dressing on salad. When you consume ACV in this form, it promotes weight loss. ACV has very less calories, plus it gives you a sense of satiety. Both together will push you to eat less and thus will help in weight loss. Second, apple cider vinegar for beverages. ACV encourages fat loss. It is the best thing if you use it in a snack option, and naturally you would be avoiding other junk. Making a smoothie is a very good option. All you need is 2 tablespoons of avocado, 1 cup of diced apples, 1 tablespoonful of ACV, and 1/4 cup of water and little ice cube. Blend all this in a jar and serve it in a glass and have it. This is a great snacking beverage. Third, apple cider vinegar for deodorizing. ACV has an antibacterial property that kills not only bacteria but also neutralizes the odor. Take 1 part of water and 1 part of ACV and put it in a spraying bottle. Whenever there is bad smell, you can simply spray it. Its mild and fruity fragrance is also very soothing. Fourth, apple cider vinegar as skin toner. When you mix 1 part of ACV with 2 parts of water, it becomes the best skin toner ever. When you apply this twice a day with a cotton pad, it not only disinfects the skin germs but also provides great support in anti-aging process of the skin. Fifth, apple cider vinegar for toothbrush cleaning. Our teeth need proper care. It does not end by brushing twice a day. You need to maintain toothbrush hygiene. You can make a toothbrush cleanser with ACV. Take 2 tablespoonfuls of ACV with half a cup of water. Then add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix it well and dip your toothbrush for half an hour. And your toothbrush becomes germ-free and almost like new. Did you see in how many different ways you can use this apple cider vinegar? There are innumerable benefits too. So, always keep this one ingredient in your house and consume it in every possible way. Namaskar.